They say the best thing is to learn from others' mistakes, and that is why I'm recording this video today. Dear algorithm, please connect me with serious defense aspirants. Why? Because I have given my 13 attempts at SSB and AFSB, out of which in my initial 9 consecutive attempts, I screened out. You won't believe me, I screened out from NCC, AFCAT, CDS, all these 3 entries. I don't want you to suffer and face the same pain which I faced. My journey has taught me resilience. I am here today sharing this to you all, not because दर्द बांटने से कम होता है, but because I don't want you to repeatedly make the same mistakes which I was making. And to be very honest, I kept figuring out as to what can I do exactly that I can get screened in. I can get one chance to prove my mettle. If this video reaches even a single candidate who is getting screened out multiple times, I will be more than happy to be of some help. I will be very honest with you. During my initial attempts, in my first and second attempt, my narration was not so confident. I was not very confident in speaking in English, and that is why I decided to practice with my friends from NCC circle. After my 2 attempts, I learned how to narrate my stories confidently, but the main thing which I was missing on was how to write good stories. By good stories, I mean stories revolving around the stimulus. And this particular mistake I was doing until my 9th attempt, and this is something which no one told me. I was writing preconceived stories, and I only got to know it later when I joined Cult SSB. Before telling you as to what we can do in order to get screened in or what I did, I would like to tell you what we must not do in order to get screened in, because this is the most important thing which we should know and keep in our mind. So the first thing we should not do is to not copy others. Do not copy others' themes. Let's say there is a farm related picture. Majority of us make story around modern farm techniques. You must be aware of it. We all have seen this particular theme showing up in the discussion, right? The second thing which one must not do is to take OIR casually. We must not take OIR casually, but give importance to OIR. There are many sets available on YouTube channels, on Telegram channels. We all know 74, 75, 34, 35, 54, 55. Some of these sets are repeatedly asked. So why not practice those? The third thing one must not do is unnecessarily include problem in the story. It may not be a problem, it could be a challenge. And there is a lot of difference between a problem and a challenge.